Hello, Embibe. A very good evening to all of you. I would say yes, welcome to today's session. I know this session was scheduled at 3 p.m., but we have to reschedule it due to the sudden reasons. But that is not a talk. We're going to basically discuss about we have discussed about the introduction of the cell, and we have yesterday discussed about the microscope and its type. So why not to have a quick practice session about whatever we have done in the previous session? So yes, today we're going to discuss the questions from the biology chapter cell. Yes, it's a quick test of biology from the chapter cell of whatever we have already studied. Nothing new, nothing from something which we have not discussed in the class. So this is just a quick test for the biology in the session. So before we start, let me introduce you to myself once again. I'm Anam Khan. I'll be your biology expert, and we're going to discuss all the amazing and interesting topics related to biology, just like we have been discussing. Yesterday, we discussed about the microscopes and its types in detail. And previously, we have discussed about the introduction to the cell part 1. Tomorrow at 3 p.m. on the Embibe app, we're going to discuss about of course, the introduction to cell part 2. So I would request all of you to join us on the Embibe apps. Yes, you can just log in through your phone number or email ID and register for the upcoming classes so that you never miss an update regarding anything. So this is a quick update on everything which is happening right now, the sessions which are going on right now. Let's start our test for today. So moving forward, next we have yes, a quick introduction towards myself. My name is Anam Khan. An experience of 7+ years. I've mentored more than 12,000 aspirants. Yes, my qualification is MSc Plant Sciences, dealing with the plant botany. So this is a quick update about me. So yes, we are done. Moving forward, I would like to introduce you to the 3 most amazing app which Embibe basically offers you. One is the Embibe Virtual Lab. The other is the Embibe app. The other is the Embibe Lens app. So virtual lab experiment, you can basically find it again on the App Store and the Google Store. Yes, this virtual lab experiment app, this is basically for whatever the experiments you are performing in the school and in your laboratory, you can come and perform here on your particular tablet, on your particular phone. Yes, the lab is in your hand now. So I know sometimes you forget to basically perform, sometimes you forget the basic steps, how to basically do the particular lab experiment. So this app is going to help you with those lab experiments. Embibe app, just not the live classes, it has so much to offer you, so many practice tests, so many mock tests, so many content, so many particular books with the solution, Embibe experts curated content, everything at one place. It's a universe of education. So please do go explore in the Embibe app. And next we have Embibe Lens app, which is another amazing app. What you have to do is just a lens in your hand, just like a normal lens. Just scan the text, whatever text you see in front in your textbooks, physics, chemistry, biology, and it will highlight all the keywords, and will, if you click on any one keyword, it will basically give you information and the 3D asset of that particular keyword. Yes, so these are the 3 particular apps which basically Embibe offers you. So yes, it's a quick update about everything. Is there anything which you have wanted to ask? You can ask me in the next session. Moving forward, the very first question of whatever we have studied in the session is this: can you fill out the blanks in the sentences? Dash discovered by the cell by the use of dash. Yes. How? What is discovered by the cell using dash? Come on quickly. I can show you. So Vachan, beta, it's not that it's going to be a paid platform, like you have to pay a very heavy price of that. Yes, it's going to be a very nominal charge. You will see it soon. Everything will be accessible with that nominal charge. Do not worry, you don't have to pay 1,000 or 10,000 bucks, about 10,000 rupees for that. It's going to be a very nominal amount. You will see that this a much less amount you will not get anywhere. Okay, with access to such a huge content, live classes and everything without any restriction. Yes, so do not worry about it. Okay, moving forward, let's come on quickly tell me what's the, so I would say, who discovered the cell? Well, I says Robert Hooke discovered the cell by the use of microscope. This is the correct option. Yes. Okay, moving forward, next we have another question. Okay, now drag from one bubble to another to create a suitable connection between them and based on the construction and use of the microscope. Yes? Now quickly tell me how we basically, कल हमने पढ़ा था माइक्रोस्कोप के बारे में, मैंने पहले ही बोल दिया जो कुछ हम ऑलरेडी पढ़ चुके हैं, जितना भी क्लास हम कर चुके हैं, क्वेश्चन सारे उसी से रिलेटेड हैं. कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं है जो तुम लोगों ने नहीं पढ़ा है और मैंने इसमें क्वेश्चंस दे दिए हैं. नहीं, द क्वेश्चन आर टोटली स्ट्रिक्टली फ्रॉम द क्लास सेशंस. यस. हाउ डू आई कनेक्ट? तुम लोग मुझे एटलीस्ट यहाँ पर चैट बॉक्स में ये बता सकते हो. यू कैन कनेक्ट ए बी सी डी ई. यू कैन जस्ट सी टेल मी दैट आप ए बी को कनेक्ट कर दीजिए या ए ई को कनेक्ट कर दीजिए या बी सी को कनेक्ट कर दीजिए, कुछ भी. यस. सो लेट मी कनेक्ट. ओके. A microscope is a combination of lenses. The use of microscope to study the cell. Yes. What do we use microscope for? To study the cell, and it's a combination of lenses. Yes, that's the correct answer. Yes. Okay. So children, moving forward with the next question we have. So yes, मैंने कल तुम लोगों को कंपाउंड माइक्रोस्कोप एक्सप्लेन किया था, उनके सारे पार्ट्स भी एक्सप्लेन कर दिए थे. तो तुम लोगों को क्या करना है, ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप करना है कंपाउंड माइक्रोस्कोप के करेक्ट प्लेस पे उसका करेक्ट लेबल. ठीक है, बहुत ही सिंपल है. सी व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन यू जॉइन ऑन एम्बाइब ऐप चिल्ड्रन. ये जो तुम लोग मुझे पता है यूट्यूब पे अटेम्प्ट नहीं कर पाओगे. जैसे देखो मैं ये ड्रैग कर सकती हूँ, ये ड्रैग कर सकती हूँ, ये तुम लोग यूट्यूब पे नहीं कर पाओगे, मुझे पता है. देयर इज अ लिमिटेशन ऑन द यूट्यूब, बट द एम्बाइब ऐप गिव्स यू full authority, the full access to everything. Every particular question will be attempted by you. Nobody else is going to basically attempt it. Okay. I guess this should be the correct answer. Yes. Yes, the correct answer is this. Submit all the options. This is an eyepiece. This is an objective lens. This is a body tube. This is a stage, and this is a mirror. All these parts are the parts of a compound microscope. Next we have, now click on the image of the microscope. You would choose to basically view the cell and its organelle. क्या choose करोगे अगर तुम्हें सेल के ऑर्गेनल्स जो हैं वो अंडर माइक्रोस्कोप देखने पड़े? कौन सा माइक्रोस्कोप यूज करोगे? लेंस यूज करोगे, इलेक्ट्रॉन माइक्रोस्कोप करोगे, कंपाउंड माइक्रोस्कोप यूज करोगे? विच काइंड ऑफ अ माइक्रोस्कोप यू गोइंग टू बेसिकली यूज? I guess it should be this one. Yes, the electron microscope. You're going to choose electron microscope. That would be the correct answer. Next question. Okay, so the term cell was given by, who gave the term cell? Robert Brown, Robert Hooke, Leeuwenhoek, Sheldon. Who gave the term cell? Term cell किसने दिया था? Yes, the particular term cell was basically used by Hi, hello. I guess the term cell was first used by Robert Hooke. That's the correct answer for this one. The term cell was first used by Robert Hooke. Next question. Living cells were discovered by who discovered the living cell? Robert Hooke, Perkins, Leeuwenhoek, Robert Brown. Who discovered the living cell? We're talking about here the living cell. Yes, A, B, C, D. Who discovered the living cell? Yes. Just send me A, B, C, D. I would like to know. I guess the living cell were discovered by Leeuwenhoek. Yes. So Leeuwenhoek was the person who discovered the living cell. Absolutely correct. Yes. अब तुम लोग ऐसे ऐसे नाम रख लेते हो, कोडिंग वोडिंग प्रॉपर अपना स्टूडेंट नेम से आओगे तो मुझे भी पता चलेगा, तो मैं नाम भी लूंगी. Yes. Now moving on to the next question, we have identify the longest cell. इसमें से कौन सा सेल है जो कि लॉन्गेस्ट है? Yes, of course, everybody knows the correct answer is nerve cell. The nerve cell is the longest cell. सबको पता है nerve cell सबसे ज्यादा लंबी होती है. Neuron is the correct answer. Yes, next point. Red blood cells का shape कैसा होता है? What is the shape of red blood cells? Yes. What is the shape of red blood cells? Yes, quickly. What is the shape of red blood cells? किस shape की होती है तुम्हारी red blood cells? Convex, biconcave, irregular. Yes, all of you. Quickly. Yes, I guess the shape of the RBCs is biconcave. That's absolutely correct. Absolutely, Ketan, it is biconcave. Moving on to the next question, we have the book entitled Micrographia was written by who wrote the book Micrographia? Yes. Who wrote the book Micrographia? Yes. Quickly, Robert Hooke. Absolutely right, Ketan. The answer is Robert Hooke. He wrote the book Micrographia. Yes, absolutely correct. Moving on to the next question, we have cover slip is put on a mounted material on a slide very gently too. कवर स्लिप लगाते हैं ना, हम लोग स्लाइड बनाते हैं लैब में, तो कवर स्लिप लगाते हैं. क्यों लगाते हैं कवर स्लिप? व्हाट इज द रीजन दैट वी बेसिकली अप्लाई द कवर स्लिप? यस. Yes, quickly. Why we put the cover slip on a? Yes, absolutely सही, बिल्कुल सही जवाब. ताकि कोई एयर बबल एंटर ना कर जाए, क्योंकि जब एयर बबल एंटर कर जाता है तो भाई सही से हमें सारी चीजें नहीं दिखती हैं. वी हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल व्हेन वी पुट दी cover slip so that the air basically do not enter the particular slip. Moving on to the next question, we have how many types of lenses are present in the compound microscope? Yes, how many types of lenses are present in the compound microscope? Yes, Vaibhav is saying 2. Rest of the people? Two. Two types. Anybody else? How many types of lenses are present in the compound microscope? Yes. A, B, C, D. What's the correct answer? 2. Absolutely correct. कंपाउंड माइक्रोस्कोप में 2 टाइप के लेंसेस प्रेजेंट होते हैं. बिल्कुल सही बात है. ना 3 टाइप के, ना कि 4 टाइप के, ना ही 1 टाइप के. 2 टाइप के लेंसेस प्रेजेंट होते हैं. मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज द मैग्निफिकेशन पावर ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्टिव लेंस अंडर विच द ऑब्जेक्ट इज फर्स्ट फोकस्ड? सबसे पहले जो ऑब्जेक्टिव लेंस पर सबसे पहले फोकस करते हैं उसका मैग्निफिकेशन पावर कितना है? Quickly, what is the magnification and power? Yes. What is the magnification power of the objective lens we first see? 10x, 15x, 40x, 100x. What's the correct answer? क्विकली, जल्दी जल्दी बताओ फटाफट, तभी आगे बढ़ूंगी मैं. Yes. Is it A? Is it B? Is it C? Is it D? It is absolutely ए. सबसे पहला जो ऑब्जेक्टिव लेंस का पावर होता है वो कितना होता है? 10x होता है. दैट्स द करेक्ट आंसर. मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वी हैव. सेल थ्योरी वाज प्रपोज्ड बाय. किसने सेल थ्योरी प्रपोज करी थी? यस. हु प्रपोज्ड द सेल थ्योरी? यस. हु प्रपोज्ड द सेल थ्योरी? क्विकली. ए सही बोल रहे हो या नहीं मुझे नहीं पता. देखते हैं. ए. Yes, A is the correct answer. Sheldon and Schwann and Virchow, they 3 were there to basically propose the cell theory. Absolutely correct. Next question. All life start as. How does a life start as? Yes, life कैसे शुरू होती है? किसी भी organism की, किसी भी living organism की life शुरू कैसे होती है? Yes. How life start as? Yes. An egg, a single cell, a gene, a chromosome. Yes, it starts as a single cell. Absolutely correct. Moving on to the next question, we have cell arises from the pre-existing cell. ये बात किसने बोली थी? सेल जो हैं वो पुराने सेल से बनते हैं, नए सेल जो हैं पुराने सेल से बनते हैं. ये बात एग्जैक्टली किसने बोली थी? यस. सेल जो है, नए सेल्स जो बनते हैं वो पुराने सेल से बनते हैं. ये बात किसने बोली थी? अभी तक एक ही ने आंसर दिया है, बाकी यस ये बात बोली थी वर्चॉ ने. एब्सोल्युटली. ओमनिस सेलुला, ई सेलुला, ये बात किसने बोली थी? वर्चॉ ने. एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट. सेल थ्योरी वर फर्दर एक्सपैंडेड बाय whom? Who expanded the cell theory? Yes. Who expanded the cell theory? Sheldon and Schwann, Virchow, Leeuwenhoek, Perkins. Who expanded the cell theory? Quickly. Children, who expanded the cell theory? यस, एक्सपैंड किसने की थी सेल थ्योरी? जल्दी जल्दी बताओ फटाफट, जल्दी आंसर दोगे मैं जल्दी आगे बढ़ा दूंगी। यस, theory was further expand. Oh my god, I virtue is the correct answer. Children, I'm really sorry, मैंने जल्दी में ए लगा दिया. The correct answer was virtue. Cell theory was further expanded by virtue. वैभव भी ने भी मुझे मैसेज किया या इधर चैट बॉक्स में लिखा virtue. I don't know how did I just clicked on the A. Just ignore it. The correct answer is virtue. Next, who refined the cell theory? Who refined the cell theory? Yes. Who refined the cell theory? The correct answer is Voltaire. Yes. Refined किसने किया था? Rudolf Virchow ने किया था. Next question. In unicellular organism, a single cell gets specialized to perform all body function. Yes. In unicellular organism, a single cell gets specialized to perform all body function. Is it true or is it false? Yes. Is it true? Is it false? Yes, it is absolutely true. यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म में एक सिंगल सेल ही सारे काम परफॉर्म करता है. बिल्कुल सही बात है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. अमीबा इज अ मल्टी सेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म. यस, अमीबा इज अ मल्टी सेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म. यस, इट्स एब्सोल्युटली रॉन्ग. अमीबा जो है वो टिपिकली यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म है. यस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. वायरसेस आर नॉन लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म. यस, इज वायरसेस आर नॉन लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म? क्विकली, इज वायरसेस आर नॉन लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म? ट्रू और फॉल्स? यस, वायरसेस नॉन लिविंग होते हैं या नहीं? Yes, absolutely false. Are non-living. Oh my god. Viruses are non-living because they need host body to survive. This is absolutely true. Okay, next question. All living things are made up of cell. Yes, all living things are made up of cell. Quickly. Yes, true, absolutely true. That's the correct answer. Next question. Dash are the exception to cell theory. You have to fill the blank. Yes. dash are the exception to cell theory. What are the exception to cell theory? Yes, children, what are the exceptions to cell theory? Yes, absolutely correct. The answer is virus. Yes, the answer is yes, answer is of course the viruses. ठीक है? Next question. Name the smallest cell in human body. What is the smallest cell in human body? Yes. What is the smallest cell in the human body? Quickly. What is the smallest cell in the human body? Yes. Is it sperm? Is it ovum? Is it?